Frustrated with inventory chaos that appears to have plagued you forever? Streamline your inventory processes with SlideTeam's ready-to-use Inventory Management Dashboard template. No more inventory headaches. Download Inventory Management Dashboard and grab up to 15% off by clicking the link in the description. Gain real-time insights at a glance through this PPT slide and track total vendors, categories, products, and sales. This PPT section paints a clear picture of your sales journey. Watch as graphs showcase sold quantities while highlighting the leftover stock. What makes this PPT set unique is how it delivers product details and category-wise sales in an easy-to-understand manner. This ready-to-deploy PPT layout showcases purchase details and category-wise quotations with surgical precision. This premium inventory management dashboard ensures that you have maximum control and minimum waste in your inventory management efforts. Maximize profits, minimize effort. Our inventory management dashboard is your ultimate solution. Download now.